FX Pillar. I welcome you back to my channel once again. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. So today we're going to learn about how you're going to make money from your broker without actually making a deposit. So you can see I've logged into my broker's account and it is clear that I'm using Xness account. So how are you going to make money from your broker without actually making a deposit? So first of all, you have to log into your broker and go to your broker partnership program. Do you get it? Read more about the partnership program and how it works. So this is Xness. If you are using Xness, these are the steps to make money from your Xness broker without actually making a deposit. So as you can see, I have logged into my Xness account, and as you can see over here, we have Xness products. Do you get it? We have Xness products. So you pressed on Xness products. So from Xness product, you're going to see partnership. That's you are going to partner with Xness by referring people to register with your link, and every trade that they place, you're going to make 20% of the trade that they place. You get it? So I'll go to partnership. So the partnership tab has been opened. As you can see from this side, my total profit from referring people is $255. Do you get it? This is one of my account, 255 US dollars. You get it? Yes, that's my partnership link so far this year. Do you get it? That's the number of people that have been trading with my link so far this year. That's 255 US. So you too, you can do same and get money from Xness without actually making a deposit. So as you can see, when you come here, you see your partnership link over here. So you have to press on copy and give to people to register. Once they register, every trade that they place, you will get 20% of their lot size. Do you get it? You get 20% of the spread. You will get 20% of the spread for every trade that they place. Every trade that they place, you're going to make 20% of the spread with respect to the lot size that the person is using. So if the person is trading with higher lot size, you'll be getting more money. Do you get it? So with my referral link, every week I'm able to get like $20, or every week I'm able to get like 15, 10. Do you get it? Every week I get in between $10 to $20 every week without actually making a deposit. Do you get it? So every referral bonus that I get withdraw. So my total profit this year for people who are trading with my partnership link is $255 US dollars. Do you get it? So it's just a simple step. All you have to do is copy your link, your partnership link over here, give to friends to register. So when you register, they make deposit. Every trade that they place, you will get 20% of the spread with respect to the lot size that the person is using. So let's say if many people are trading with your partnership link, and also some of them are using smaller lot size, or let's say even if all of them are using the lowest lot size, the more they place trees, the more you make money from them. Okay, so it's just a simple step.